Today's video is going to be different, and we're not going to talk about winnings. Today I'm going to talk about manipulation, the forex manipulations. Okay, I'm going to explain how Euro JPY did manipulate me yesterday, and also gold trade, how it did manipulate me. Right, so I've just closed my Euro JPY trades with a loss. Okay, and I'm going to go over the reason why the market did its thing and why I've closed the loss despite all. And basically the market has not actually hit my stop loss, but I just decided to close that trade. So I'll go over this. Let me just take you through before the play. So this is how the market was looking like, Euro JPY. This is how the market was looking like. Basically it was giving me confidence that it should be dropping, and I respected that. So if I try to zoom, let me just take you through. Okay, first things first, let's just do our normal analysis. I've deleted some of the drawings. So as usual, we understand that the market, that is how I was interpreting this market. This was the left shoulder, and this is the head right there. Now I saw that this is kind of correction, and we should continue dropping, which is still okay, which is still okay. But the market will always be the market. So let's just understand this market. So if this was the kind of play that I was seeing, all right, then now this is kind of a correction pattern. This is a correction pattern, and as usual, after correction, we expect that the market should give us an impulse. So if this is a correction, that this is, let me start again. If this is an impulse, then as usual, this is a correction. After correction, we should expect the market to drop, and that is okay. That is what I was expecting on this market. And now it's funny, I'm seeing that the market is now dropping after I've closed my position, which is not bad. I'll explain the reason why I've closed my position. So this is it. I've seen that the market gave me a double top right here. This is a double top, of course. This is a double top. You see, so that is just another confidence that we should be dropping. So I saw that yesterday when I was making my analysis, and I called in for sales on this. Okay, but at the same time, let's just take it to the daily. Okay, we understand that we are still in an uptrend. Of course, we're still in an uptrend despite all. Okay, we're in an uptrend. If we had our first touch right there, then the second touch, of course, probably like that, and another trend line, 1 2 3, be just like that. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So this is the kind of pattern that I was seeing. Okay, if this market is supposed to give us a drop, like I was saying, this should be the left shoulder, maybe the neckline, this is the head. The market gave a neckline, now it's going back to give me a right shoulder, then we should expect that drop, which is making sense, gang. So let's continue. Okay, at the same time, now we need to also have this zone right here. This is our demand zone, sorry, and also probably this zone we should also call this zone, but I don't want to make my chart somehow dirty, so let me just do this. Okay, that level was respected, as you can see. So if that's the case, I'll need to draw. I'm seeing that this market gave me a trend. Okay, if this market gave me a trend, boom. So I'm going to clone this trend line. That is our resistance trend line. Let's just clone this and make it right there. You see, it's making sense now. So I'm going to go back to the lower time frame. Let's just take it back to the 1 hour. Okay, because now we're looking for sell position, but this market is trying to be crazy, So if we had our impulse right here, like I said before, this is an impulse, then this is a bigger version of a correction. So I'm expecting the market to drop, but the market just started reversing. It's funny. That's the market. That's the market. This is the market. Like I say, we don't win every day. So today's video, I'm just going to show you the losses, but I'm not going to tell you that I lost because of my carelessness or anything. This is my strategy, but the market just decided to do what it wants to do, as usual. And it's funny, I've closed my stop loss because I've closed my position at the same time. The reason why I closed this the position was this: we had an incoming news, and I was still in a drawdown, so I did not want the market to take me out. So of course I was risking 1%, so I just had to close that before the 1% was taken out. And it's crazy, you see that the market is reversing. So my stop loss initially was above this level right here, so it meant that if this market or this price takes out this high, then now the market is reversing because it has already taken the last previous lower high. Okay, but then I just closed. So initially this is just a double top. Probably this just might be a double top. The reason why I'm talking about double top is this. You see this kind of a play, you see neckline. So this is type of play. So let me delete this. The reason why I took this entry position is this. Okay, I did identify this level right here. So this zone right here at the 15 was giving me another double top. So it was just a confirmation. But yesterday, we had so many news on euro, and it was annoying. So making your end position could be risky. So I just had to wait. And of course, because of that wait, I made my entry late. That's why the entry was way down. But I still had the confidence that we should be going down despite all, and my risk was like 100 pips because I was late. Okay, and now when I woke up, the market just started moving up. I understood that this is just a correction. This push to the up was just a correction, but we also had another news, and also today, tomorrow we also have news on euro. So I did not want to risk, so just decided to close that manually before it takes me out. And it's crazy, you see that the market now starts to reverse. No problem. Okay, so since this market is reversing, gang, let me just do this. If we understand that, come on, if you understand that this was kind of a correction, then now let's do this. Maybe let's do this. Okay, so for us to take another sell position, okay, basically we just need to wait for another confirmation, probably the market to give us now another reversal, or maybe a head and shoulder to give us a confidence that that is when it should be dropping. But at the same time, tomorrow we have so many news on euro JPY, and man, I don't like trading when news is on the way. It really annoys me, because I don't trade news. Sometimes news might favor you, but not 100%. News always, let me just say, like 90%, 99% news usually interfere with my swings. Okay, that's why I do avoid taking my entries during the news hour. But when I was taking euro JPY, I told myself, if this market plays to my favor, maybe give me, in fact the market gave me up to 40 pips, because I'm a swing trader. I could not take that 40 pips. If you was a scalper, you could have bagged in, or if you was a day trader, then you could have made profit out of this market. But I saw 40 pips, but I could not take it because I was aiming for over 300 pips, because I'm a swing trader. So I was saying, if this market closes, maybe the day ends, if I'm in profit, then I'll maybe adjust my stop loss to protect my profit before the news comes in. But then after the market gave me 40 pips yesterday night, so today I just woke up and I was still in a drawdown around 10 pips, 5 pips. Then after some hours, I just saw the market kept on pushing up. Then I said, this market is pushing up, and we like 10 minutes to news. I just decided to close that loss. I don't care. It's just less than 1%, which is good with me. All right. So that's it. Let me take you back on gold. Gold. The reason why gold also gave us another manipulation yesterday after winning. Remember, I had a video yesterday on gold that we did scalp. Yeah. Now, so before this fall, I believe. So let me just can't remember the drawings, man. But let me try to remember. I think this push, I believe this was the push. Yeah. So if I remember clearly, gang, I said that we had this type of a trend, of course, and the gold kind of broke out of this high. If this was the case, then also I remember I had this. Okay, I had this. So I said if an hour candle closes above the now, that's another confluence that we should now target this high, which is okay. We should now target this high. This is the candlestick that broke. Okay, another confluence. Let me take you to the 15. We had a bullish flag. You see, everything was in place, but I'll after this I'm just going to show you where the manipulation came from. Okay, so this is a bullish flag. Okay, so during this period also, okay, we had this bullish flag, then gold took out this high. So that's just a confirmation that it should go up. But when I went to the 1 minute, I saw that the 1 minute was giving me another continuation to the down. I was like, what is this market doing? I'm already in for my buys, but then the market is giving me sell positions. Okay, you need to understand the market. Let me just take you through and maybe give you these patterns. See, remember, let me get this back. or rather let me bring another one. Remember, I'm taking that buy, okay? Then our stop loss, of course, right here. If it takes that low, it was around 60. Yeah, that's okay. If it takes that low, then now that's a confirmation that now this trade is reversing to the down. Okay, so this is it. So when I went to the 1 minute, right now we are at the 1 minute, I saw that gold did this. Of course, I understood that. Okay, my strategy, when I use my strategy, I anticipate pullback, so I was okay with this pullback. But during this pullback phase, 1 minute was doing this. I asked myself, why is this market doing this? Because now this means that this is an impulse. Then now this is a correction or continuation to go down. I said, no way. There is no way this market is going up. Before it took me out, I just closed my position. Just closed my position at the lows. So after that, I went back to the higher time frame. Let me just take you back to the 1 minute, 1 hour. That is, I'm going to explain. Basically, at the same time, I've been avoiding to trade gold because gold is at the highest level for a while. Okay, so when I went back to the 1 hour, I just removed everything. Now, if you try to look at this, gold gave us new trends. New trend. That was a downtrend. So remember, we took a buy right here. Okay, remember we took a buy. I don't know if I believe this is the case. If we took a buy right there, but then gold reverse, I say that if it takes out this low right here, I say that if gold take this low right here, then now we're going in down. That is because this law has not been respected, or that support. So when that happened, I went back and reanalyzed my trade and then understood, the market gave me a new trend, which was a downtrend. This is a downtrend. So if that's the case, how about we clone this? Okay, so basically it's a downtrend, but I can say that this is just a bullish flag, bullish flag, maybe for a continuation to the upside. But I don't want to buy this gold trade because we are at the highest high I don't know, man. I don't want to take anything I don't want to do anything that concern gold, man. I don't want to take this trade. So if we have this kind of a confluence, then now the market has given us a downtrend or a bullish flag. This is the first touch, then this is the second touch. So for you to take a sell position on gold, then you should wait for gold over here. But taking a buy on gold, is going to be the worst mistake. Okay, because this is a bullish flag. So maybe this is the case. Okay, this is the case. This is the case. So if that's the case, let me just take you back to the weekly. The reason why I'm trying to avoid buys on gold. Look at this. This is the highest zone of gold. This week was just, I believe that was news, and gold closed below this high. So why will I take a buy? So it's like you're taking a buy, or it's like I'm taking a buy at the resistance, when I should only be selling. We sell at the resistance and buy at the support. So you see, but at the same time, look at this. If we understand how price is approaching a support or a resistance, we should understand that the gold is giving us a bullish flag. But you see, let me tell you something, guys. Yes, this is a type of a bullish flag, but at the same time, we've not seen the third touch. So taking a buy here is going to be risky, because I still believe gold has to give us another third touch. If we had a first touch right here, we had a second touch, gold has not given us the third touch. So the best place to take your buy entry should be here. But why will I take a buy on gold? Unless it gives me confidence, okay? Unless it gives me confidence, maybe like that, then that. Man, I'm still hesitant because of this high, this line that I just gave you, that resistance. When taking a buy right there, of course you should be targeting that level. But man, taking gold is crazy right now. I don't know, because I'm a swing trader. But at the same time, if this proves to be a strong level, then how about this? Let's just continue to zoom out. What if gold wants to go back to this level? What if this is a game of probability? Because 1, 2, 3 it dropped. Then now, how did this market approach this level? It's kind of a contraction channel. What if this market does this, then now play out, then now breaks? That is when it drops. So before you think of that drop, man, you should understand how gold is going to react at the third touch of this uptrend. So this is what I mean. Maybe gold comes back bounce off, then now tries to go up a little bit. Then now if it takes this low, that is when we should be calling in for swing on gold. That would be just a good confirmation that then gold is okay to be swing. Okay, this is it. So you see, after being taken out, go back to the market and understand the reason why you've been taken out. You don't just you don't have to cry and blame other people. This market movers, why is this price taking me out? Why is this? Sometimes the market just be the market, but you need to be keen, understand everything. Okay. And I see I've given people Euro USD, but I'm still I see that it's kind of moving, but I was hesitant on this pair, even though it's moving. I've given my public group, my Telegram people, this signal, but then I told them to be careful. I see it's playing out nicely though, probably 23 pips. So if that's the case, let me see. Let me just update that. Let me update that. Let me just do that. So I see them winning. Okay, so they're up how much? Probably maybe 25 pips. 25 pips profit. You're winning. Come on, man. Yeah, be careful, So that's it. The reason why I'm telling this gang, let me just tell you, the reason why I'm telling them to be careful. First things first, this is how the market was looking like. Where is GBP? Oh, that is Euro USD. Where are you? Right here. So this is Euro USD. This is before the move, I told my people, this is a quick scalp, 80 pips, but be careful. I'm not a scalper, so I won't take it. Just need a better price before taking my swings. So be careful when taking this. That's what I told my people, right? So basically on this pair, I'm seeing sales, yes, but I need the price to give me a better price. That is where I should be taking my swing. This is the zone probably that I should be waiting for. The reason why I'm waiting for that zone is this, guys. I'm seeing kind of left shoulder right here, neckline. This is the head, the neckline. So I just want the market to give me the right shoulder, and if I see now confirmation that we should be dropping, then now I'm going in for swing. Euro USD has a good potential for swings, but the reason why I gave my public Telegram this signal is this. Of course, I've seen that the market is giving me a continuation pattern. Okay, if we had an impulse right here, then now the market was giving me a continuation or correction. So it broke, So the moment it broke, I told them take it, but at the same time, I'm not going to take this trade because at the same time, this is the case. We are in the middle of nowhere. I don't want, like, my policy is that I don't take trades within any zone, right? I just like key levels, either support or resistance. So right now we are in the middle of nowhere. Okay, this trade might reverse or go anywhere. It might go to the top or it might go to the bottom. At the same time, what if this market gives me a left shoulder right here, and now this drop right here is just the head, then the market goes back, then now gives me a right shoulder. That's now giving me an inverse head and shoulder in respect to this support right here. Then now this is when the market start giving me high, low, because I'm expecting this market to give me a right shoulder. That's when I go in for my sell position. But for now, this is a no for me. Even though the market has given my people 25 pips, that's still okay, but I did not take this entry because no, that's not me. Okay, this market might not reach this target right here. Of course, it might not reach here, but if it reaches, then good for those people who took it. All right, it might give us this zone here, right here. Then now start reversing, gives me an inverse head and shoulder before going up. All right. So when this happens, then I should start looking for my sell position. But for now, no, not for me. But at least you see it worked out somehow. As scalping, it worked out. But I'm not a scalper, so at least scalpers ate on this. Gang, I hope this video helped you. So check out my Telegram link in the description. And guys, let me just take you. I have this. There's this guy. There's this Telegram channel that I believe scams people. Let me just search. Let me just search. Just first-hand effects, but that's not me. You see, this is not me. You see, somebody calls himself first-hand effects. You know, this is not me. 1,000 subscribers, but you ask yourself questions, yo. If this is 1,000 subscriber channel, but why do this channel have only 2 views? Look at this. Anything he posts, 1 view. So probably these subscribers thing, I think that these are just bots. No, so scamming people. This is not me. So do not be scammed. This is not my Telegram link or channel. Link in the description. My channel. This is my channel, gang. This is my channel. This is my channel. You see, my channel only 195. That's my channel. You see, and if we have 195 people, see, if I update, you see, we have 31 views, more than the other guy. 70 views, we have 83 views. You see, 74 views. You know, 77. Oh, guys, and I also forgot. If you want to get funded, we have this. We have the funded trader. Of course, check out the link in the description and get funded, yo. Okay, link in the description. The Forex funder. I also have the funded trader. So the Forex funder has a good discount. So just check out the link in the description and get funded up to 55%. And also using my link, you get 10%. So this is going to be a good year for you guys. So stop trading those small accounts, and this is it. Okay, but remember, do not be scammed, my people. Do not be scammed. This is the real Telegram channel that I do on. So adios, mi amigos. Peace.